Okay, so I just left Meijer, which is the only 24-hour store in my area, and I just thought it was a good idea to come on here and give you guys some tips and tricks to surviving coronavirus. But this lighting is terrible, so give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
Today we're creating a survival guide. Let's get it cracking.
So one of the very first things that I would suggest you do is go shopping now. Find a 24-hour store that's kind of low key and go, because I just went shopping and when I tell y'all they are cleaning them shelves, okay, it's nothing left. And the longer you wait, it's not going to be anything left. Now, when people go to the store, they're going to be looking for the basics: tissue, food, water, sanitizing products. Don't get caught up in the hype, because whatever they don't have at the store, just know that there is always an alternative. If they don't have Lysol wipes or Lysol spray, you can make your own cleaning solution by mixing bleach, water, put it in a spray bottle, shake it up, and there you go. If they don't have tissue, you can use wipes. Yes, baby wipes. We use them on our babies. We use them when we poop. We use them on our faces. We can use them as a tissue replacement until the state of emergency is over. If they don't have water, it's okay, because you do. Every time you turn on your faucet, guess what? That's water, and you're not too good to drink it. Each city has its own regulations to make sure that the water is safe for drinking. So if you have tap water, it's nothing wrong with drinking it. If you want to take it a step further and try to clean it a little bit, you could take it back to the old days before we all had money to buy bottled water, and you can get you a big old pot and you can bring it to a boil, let it cool, put it in the refrigerator, and bam, purified water. Also, guys, you have to be resourceful. Use what you have to get what you want. When I originally went grocery shopping, I had the mentality, go grocery shopping, because that's what you always do. You look for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But while we're in a state of emergency and our resources are a lot more limited, we have to adjust the way we think, the way we shop, and ultimately the way we eat. So whatever they had, I bought lots of it. If they got a lot of sandwich meat, I got all the sandwich meat, okay? If we got to eat sandwiches one day for dinner, at least we eat it. I mean, it's not going to be forever. Of course, it's not ideal, but we have to survive. And in order to survive, you have to adjust. So please, adjust your mentality. Just because they ain't got steak or chicken don't mean y'all got to go hungry, okay? If they got fish, get all the fish they have. You can pan sear it, you can bake it, you can fry it, you can air fry it, you can grill it. Bam, that's 100 different meals right there. Keep your kids on a schedule. When they go to school, they have something to look forward to, because they know when nap time is. They know when playtime is. They know when learning time is. They know when snack and lunchtime are. Do the same thing at home, okay? Get them on a schedule. Let them know what the expectations are for the day, and it'll calm them down. Sleep when they sleep, okay? It's going to be a long 3 weeks, okay? Just like a child can be irritable, they can be fussy, they can be difficult to deal with because they need a nap, grown-ups are no exception, okay? We need a nap. We're going to be tired. We're going to be exerting more energy than some of us would on a regular basis, and we need to refresh ourselves with a nap. So it's nothing wrong with taking a nap when they take a nap, okay? The dishes, the cooking, the cleaning, the whatever else admin work you got to get done, it can wait until they get up. Trust me, your sanity will thank you later. We can find stuff to do at home. Just because we have to distance ourselves from the rest of the world doesn't mean we have to distance ourselves from fun. So little kids like to help, okay? Find a project you've been meaning to get done, clean out something, and let them be your big helper. They get to help, and you get to get stuff done. Guys, another thing we forget to do is take it back to the basics. So when you're in school, you're taught no hands at school. That means don't touch anybody. Don't let anybody touch you. We should still be implementing those same principles, okay? Don't be up in nobody's face. It's not that important, okay? Wash your hands before you eat. There are germs on them. Don't touch anybody. What you touching them for? Cover your mouth when you cough and sneeze. And don't cover it with your hands and then touch something. Overall, I feel like if we try to be a little less nasty, that wasn't great grammar. Preventing coronavirus takes the same amount of effort as it takes to prevent the flu. We've been taught all our lives what to do to not spread germs. So let's just continue that. Let's just keep that same energy. All right, guys, those are my tips and tricks to help keep you safe. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video where Chloe gonna create something new.